guys, it's Melissa. Welcome back to Practically Creative. As you can tell, I'm in the Christmassy mood, and this is the 2023 Holiday Hop. This year I'm joined by Sylvia at You and Me FPP. Her link will be in the description box below. I hope that you'll go check out her videos too. Each of us are making the entire quilt, but she's going to do 6 of the full-length videos, and I'm going to do the other 6. I hope that you guys will enjoy this. Maybe this will give you some inspiration for your holiday sewing. And we're going to say Christmas because we both celebrate Christmas, but we're not excluding anybody who celebrates Kwanzaa or Hanukkah, Chanukah, any of the other variations on the holiday theme. We hope that you'll all join us and have a great time. So with that said, let's get started. Guys, it is time for some applique, and I'm going to do some different applique this time. I've got my background square of fabric. I have taken just some regular old school glue and put it on the back of this white fabric so that it will stay where I want it. And then I have laid my applique on top of this because I want to do something different on this Santa. I could use my embroidery machine to do this, but that's not how I want to do it today. I'm going to pin Santa down through both layers of fabric. Even though I've got him glued, I still want to pin him. And then I'm going to go over to my sewing machine and we're going to do some blanket stitching around this. But I'm trying to put pins in where I don't think that they will interfere with our sewing. If they do, I will just take them out. And the actual piece of paper is going to be our applique pattern. And I'm pinning it down in all the corners. And the great thing about the school glue is that it will come up easily and I can cut around it when I'm done sewing. Alright, so we're going to move over to the sewing machine now and I will meet you there. So I did a test stitch to make sure that this is going to do what I want. And it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to sew around the outline of each part of Santa's head. Now you can cut each of these pieces out if you wanted and go ahead and do it traditional style. I just thought this sounded like something fun to try. And I'm not cutting threads because I'm going to come back and do the top, like that top little ball that goes around his head. That's gonna be like the last thing I sew. And whenever you're sewing, you need to pay attention to which way you're gonna turn. And that's where you want your needle to be while you're turning. Sometimes you can do a smooth turn because it's a gradual turn. sometimes you can't. Now it's up on the left hand side because I'm turning that way. I'm going around and around. See if this will make sense before we're all done. And I'm going slow for a couple of reasons. One of which is that I'm making my machine go through several layers. I don't want to put any more stress on my needle than I have to. And then I'm going to start right here. I'm going to go around Santa's eyes. That pen is going to be too close. I'm disabled in my hands, so sometimes holding pins is tough. And now, I'm cutting the paper and the fabric at the same time. I'll go back and do a better job of trimming the fabric if I need to once I'm done with the paper. But you can see my glue has done its job and held the fabric down until I was ready for it to be removed. And I'm doing everything I can not to cut the stitches. These little surgical snips are great. Well, let's see. Now that we've got all that fabric cut off, here is our Santa block. And I like it. The thread I used around it is white, and there's still some black paper in there. But that paper will come out as soon as I wash this block. And I'll wash it when the quilt is complete. So I appreciate you watching today. We're going to do a couple of other different methods of applique throughout this holiday hop. And I hope that you'll subscribe if you like what you see. I'll put a couple more videos over there to the side so that you can see the rest of the holiday hop and all the other Christmas blocks that we're going to be putting up this year. Please don't forget to check out my friend Sylvia at You and Me FPP. She will be putting up her blocks in the next couple days, just the same as I will. Thank you for watching again. Have a great day. Happy holidays.